Welcome to the Busy Vegan Mom. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect fall smoothie. It is whole and complete with all the yummy flavors of fall and kid friendly. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Now for the ingredients. You're going to need a coconut or soy-based or just a dairy-free yogurt, preferably vanilla, some organic if you can, pumpkin puree, some raw unsalted pumpkin seeds, some pumpkin pie spice. This is what really ties it all together. Some pure maple syrup and your plant milk of choice. I've chosen oat milk. I actually make my own oat milk at home, and actually you'll need some ice as well. So I filled up this ice tray with some alkaline water. That way it would be nice, healthy, pure water. And then you just add all of your ingredients into the blender. Did you know that pumpkin can boost your immunity? In addition to beta-carotene, pumpkins offer vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and folate, all of which strengthen your immune system. Adding more pumpkin in your diet can help your immune cells work better to ward off germs and even speed up the healing when you get a wound. Pumpkin seeds are great too. They're a suitable source of healthy fats, magnesium, and other nutrients that enhance heart and bone health. Ready to try the smoothie?
Yeah, Mommy.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
And here you have it, the perfect fall smoothie. You excited? You like it? Is it good? Can Mama try it?
No.
No? Not one taste?
No.
Just a little taste? You think it tastes good?
Yay, Mommy.
Yay, Mommy. Happy fall.
Happy fall.
Yay.
Yay.
So there's like a little bit. Ooh, that does have a nice yummy taste. So we added more yogurt and a little bit more maple syrup than what the recipe called for, and that really helped to flavor it to my liking at least, and apparently to Berkeley's liking too. So add pretty much the whole container of the yogurt, the little individual yogurts, obviously not the great big ones, and then 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Good. Take a screenshot because here is the full recipe. Inspiration pulled from helloglow.com. If you'd like to support my channel further, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. If you found this video enjoyable and you liked it and you made it all the way through, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. I do upload videos every Monday and Friday. Again, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you next time.